In this video, we want to talk about the Next Century transceiver and how to change it from pulse setting to encoded setting. Now, one of the great things about the Next Century transceiver is it's really versatile, that it can go with a pulse meter or an encoded meter. There's two things you have to get right when you're setting it up for either pulse or encoded. For one, it has to be wired correctly. So you'll notice that there's a three-prong blue block or a three-terminal blue block here, and two of the terminals are for pulse, which uses a two-prong wire, and all three terminals are if you're using it for encoded. Now see the diagram at the top for which color wires go in which terminals depending on what kind of encoded meter you're using. Now the other thing that you have to get right is the transceiver itself has to be set to pulse mode or encoded mode. Now by default they start on pulse mode. If I want to change this to encoded mode, I'm going to hold this button down until the light turns on in the center here. You'll see it's blue, set up for pulse, and then press it once to toggle it to encoded. It's now red for encoded, and then let it turn off. Now it's officially set to encoded mode. If I want to go back, I just do the same thing, hold it till the light turns on. It's going to start as encoded, toggle it to blue, and then let the light turn off. Now something that's really important during troubleshooting is sometimes we'll have you open up the meter, check wiring and all that, and then press the button to force it to check in. It's really, really important that you just press that button, you don't hold it down, because what happens sometimes is you hold it down and you're inadvertently in the setting to change it from pulse to encoded, and now we have other problems. So whenever you're told to press the button to force a check-in, just go ahead and give it a simple press. It's going to cause this light here on the top right to blink, and that's how you know that you've forced it to check in. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks.